Welcome to your reader. Today, we will learn how to create an invoice. Let's begin. From your reader admin interface, on the left side, click Dashboard and click Work Order Center. Scroll down and click the icon below Work Completed. For this demo, we are working on work order 104. Go to Actions and click Summary. We're now in work order summary page. Click the work order number. And we will have the work order details. At this stage, let's see if the technician added additional items or parts while he's working on site. By going to Add Items, we can now see that the technician added materials to complete the work order. At this stage, all we have to do is to add this additional materials by searching the name of it. Once we have it, just click it. On the right side, you will see the price per quantity, and we see that the technician added 2 of it. We're done. Just click Add Item. At this area, we can also see the technician notes, job completed, how long does our technician work on site, 8 to 11, what are the photos taken during the work order, and if there is a reports added while working in the work order. Once everything is done, just hit Closed. And here you go. You can see the additional parts that we added. By the way, the admin side has an ability to add additional item in the work order before doing the invoice. Most of our customers prefer that the labor will show at the bottom of the invoice. Don't worry, we can arrange this. Just go on the right side of the last item that we added, click, scroll up, and we have the labor below. Simple as that. You can review again the work order. Uploaded images will be shown here under Upload Files and Images. There you go. The instructions that we added. Notes to the customer. We can put anything here. Example, any recommendation. Everything looks good. Scroll down and click Generate Invoice. The system will now generate an invoice for us. There you go. We have invoice 68. From this stage, we can send the invoice via PDF in 2 ways. Go to PDF, we can send it without pricing, or we can send it with pricing. I'll show you how it looks like. Customer without pricing. You will see the details of the customer, the invoice number, when the invoice is created, who created the invoice, who completed the work order, and this line items. If you go to PDF with pricing, the only difference is that we have the price breakdown. If everything looks good, go back to PDF. Let's say that we're sending it with pricing. It will show the details, where the email came from. We can also set a carbon copy for the invoice, the subject, which is the invoice number, the message of the invoice. In this area, this is something that can be customized. That depends on what you want to see in the invoice. If you need to attach additional files in the invoice, you can do so. Just scroll down and hit that send button, and the invoice will be sent to our customer. And that's the cycle of how we create and send the invoice to your customer. Thank you.